Hey everybody, Reverend Riley here, back with another video where I will be repairing the hold switch and audio cable in my iPod Classic, iPod Touch. But yeah, I'll be following along with the iFixit repair guide on iFixit.com. And so if my head gets in the way, I'm sorry for that in advance. So I have my two screwdrivers, a small Phillips and a larger flathead to get the battery off. Then here I have the broken, then the repair part. And so basically first on iFixit they tell you how to break it apart. Basically mine opens up easily because the springs or whatever on the side broke, so it's already open. And so then they say to disconnect the battery, which it's already, and then unclip the actual thing right here. So I'll go ahead and do that. That was easy. Next, they tell me to remove the battery. So this was actually a repair battery that I got from iFixit. It's been working great. Go ahead and put that up there. Okay. Now it tells me to remove the screws, and I'm going to be very careful with those. And my screwdriver's magnetic, so makes it easy so I don't lose them. Okay, completely remove it. Okay, and these two marks, they've really always been there since I've had it. Maybe somebody got it repaired and those are marking, but who knows. But yeah, okay, got that out. Now it tells me I need to remove these two screws. Yep, and basically it tells me to pry away at that part. Now I'll reinstall this. So I'll carefully take it out. Okay, looks like all I have to do is plug in the battery. Yeah, the battery. So just push that back in. Yeah, and that doesn't look like it wants to stick. Carefully connect this. Okay, that's in, just about done. Slap the hard drive in. One of the last iPods with the hard disk drive rather than flash memory. Yes. Yep, and this is what the flathead is for mainly. So there's the battery. Just plug the battery in. So that's in. Okay, and I believe it's fixed. This is what I mean when I say this is broken. All these different springs don't work. But that has been a successful repair, I hope. I'm about to try it. I don't see why it wouldn't fix it. And yeah, this feels like it did before, so I hope I got that in right. But yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Once again, thank you to Scott Tingle over at iFixit. He helped me with this part. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Later. Hey everybody, Reverend Riley here. Don't forget to push that subscribe button at the top of the page. Then push the like button. After that, add the video to your favorites. And lastly, comment and add an emotion. Thanks. Later.